Hi again. This is a pretty an update. I can say an update of the circuit that I was doing. Um, this is basically for the home automation project. So you might recognize the circuit. This is I showed back when I did just the I turned the relays on and off using the Arduino on a breadboard. Now I've made a PCB circuit board to make that, to solder that and make it pretty neat. So this is the board that's gonna control the LED, or that kinda has the relays. Yeah, sorry for this. Yeah, whatever. So the relays and the terminals and the freewheeling diodes and also the LEDs, the indicating LEDs, and it's gonna be a header over here. So this PCB just contains this part of the circuit, and this part is gonna be connected to the other part, which is the controlling transistors that connects to the Arduino. So this one I haven't made yet, and it's still on this piece of paper, so I haven't made that yet. Uh, but I'm willing to just drill the holes in this PCB and solder some relays and some diodes and LEDs and stuff. This header is kinda a little bit big than the I was intending to use, like just like the headers that you find on the Arduino, but it seems that I've chosen a big one, which is not the same size as the one that you find on an Arduino. So I've just done soldering some like 5 relays over here, and I need to solder another one. As you can see, all the holes have been drilled, and I got this white relay, but it doesn't fit since they're all black. And this one is white. I'm just gonna wait till I find another one and put it in there. It's not that critical. I just want to test the board, so these will do fine. Uh, yeah, I got another one that is blue, but it's big and blue, so that won't fit either. This one at least is the same size as these. I got these ones rated at 120 volt AC and 15 amps. This in here in my country, we have the system of 240, 230, and 20. Depends, and the 50 hertz distribution system. So I guess this will do fine. A couple of them, although, have like the rating of 200 and 220 volts, like these two over here. But anyways, even this other three will do just fine, since I noticed that when you go up in the voltage, you decrease the current. This is what these ratings of this one that supports both, I guess. Yeah, they support both. Um, so as for these, they are rated at 15 amps, so it'll drop just a little bit, like 10 amps. I'm just guessing. So that'll be fine, and I've tried it before using this 220 volts, and it worked just fine. So no worries about that. So I'm just gonna finish this board. I need to put some terminals over here, like three ways or 3-pin terminals, and some freewheeling diodes next to the relays over here, and some LEDs and their limiting current resistors, as well as a header. I'm not just sure about that yet, but I'm gonna try to find a suitable header, and taking in consideration the one that I'm gonna put in this other board. I'm just covered it with the trace so I can iron it so that you know, the DIY home hand manual PCB prototyping. This is very old. I mean, in my country we don't have those kind of manufacturers. Maybe if you are in the US, it'll be a lot easier. You can just send these through Eagle CAD that I have over here. Yeah, the software that we used to build the schematic. I'm using the software, but I can't send that to any manufacturers anyway. But there is the possibility of that. So yeah, that's all about it for at this stage, and see you in the next video.